Welcome to Biz Roanoke. Today we are with Will Boylan. Will is the owner and founder of Industrial Process Technologies located in downtown Roanoke. Hi, Will.
Hey, Lisa.
Thanks for being with us today.
Well, thanks for having me.
Tell us a little bit about the history of your company.
Well, we started in 2001 when I left my paying job, and so I started the company in 2001 selling pumps, and through the years we've grown to where now we provide integrated systems, including control systems for those components that we sell. We also import 4 products from Italy, and so we distribute those around the United States as well.
And you're currently working on some exciting projects. I know of 2, one in Culpeper, Virginia, and one that you've just done here. So tell our viewers about what you have just completed here in downtown Roanoke.
Okay, well, downtown Roanoke is probably the most exciting one for everybody, which is that bus behind us. We were asked, because of the current demand for these types of renovations with buses and things, nobody could do a COVID lab fast enough, and so we were asked by a lab company in Richmond, STX, a guy named Terry Looney.
Right.
He called and asked if we could fabricate the inside of the bus and remodify the control system. And so we took it on, because a lot of those skills that are taken or needed to do that, we do every day anyway. Right. So we know a lot about antimicrobial things and surfaces that have to be cleaned and things like that. And so we made that bus out of solid plastic in the back. It's all polypropylene with FDA grade plastic cabinets and things like that. So that's the most exciting one.
And so this is for Hampton University. How will they use this?
Well, they're going to distribute vaccines and do COVID testing for the underserved in the Hampton area.
Right, right. And I guess the students and faculty and staff will be able to use this as well.
Yes, and I think they're going to staff it with students. I'm not 100% sure of the scope exactly, but that's what they're going to do.
All right, well, great. And so how long did it take you all to complete this project?
The time frame on it was 3 months,
right.
Which was very quick. They wanted it in 60 days. It took them a few months to be able to get the order processed, since it's a big deal getting these things done. But once they pulled the trigger, it's been just about 3 months to get it finished. In reality, now that we've got that under our belt, we probably do it a lot faster the second time around.
And is there anything specific you'd like to talk to our viewers about that's located within this?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
The best thing about this bus is not the fact that it looks great and it's got the plastic walls and everything like that, but the best thing is the control system, which is kind of becoming our trademark with everything that we do, and it's the heart of all the projects. If you don't have a good control system, then the rest of your stuff is all going to break and everybody's going to be mad at you. And so that's the situation in that bus that you're looking at back there. It's got a lot of power draw, so there's a lot of watts inside of the bus, and that has to be managed. And our computer system, best we can tell, is the only one that goes to this length to be able to put so much power draw in one vehicle with the size generator that we have. So that's probably the biggest thing. So we're monitoring the environment, we're monitoring how many particles are in the lab, like in the air in the lab. We have a particle counter, we know how many people are in there, and it logs all that stuff. We've got a carbon monoxide monitor, all those kinds of things.
And how many employees do you all have?
We have 3.
You have 3 employees, and where are you located?
We're in downtown Roanoke off Campbell Avenue.
And the address is
1019
Campbell Avenue. So you're down in the southeast area of Roanoke.
Yep, right across from the East End shops.
Okay, all right. So you all do an awful lot with 3 full-time employees, and we appreciate everything that you're doing. You've got one other project going on, I think, in the Culpeper area?
Yes, well, it's actually all over the eastern United States now. It's providing wastewater systems and fogger systems, ozone, all these different component systems that they need in greenhouses. So when you guys go to the store to get your microgreens, which are all in your little plastic bins there, we're the ones that are cleaning their water up, and we're also spraying the humidity control and things like that, putting ozone in their germination rooms, things like that.
Will, if our viewers would like to learn more about your company, how may they do so?
They would go to www.iptva.com, or they can just call me on my cell phone, which I don't know if we're going to give my cell phone out.
Sure, go ahead.
It's 540-537-3343. And those would be the 2 best ways. And if it's regarding a bus, you can either contact me or contact STX in Ashland, Virginia, which is Terry Looney. You can contact either one of us. We're both sales offices and we do the construction here, but
Right.
Terry handles it too.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. We're excited about what you all are doing and your potential for growth, and we'll look forward to circling back to you soon.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. If you have additional questions regarding industrial process technologies, please give me a call at the City of Roanoke Department of Economic Development. You can reach me by email at lisa.soltis@roanokeva.gov or by telephone at 540-853-1694. Thank you.